Bubble Guppies! Animal School Day! Choose your name to get started. If you want to erase a name, tap the name and then the red delete button. Are you sure you want to erase your game?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mr. Grouper.
Nay, I'm a horse.
And I'm an elephant.
The class is full of animals? Wow!
We love animals.
You know, there are so many kinds of animals, like the penguin, the alligator, the giraffe, and the frog. And there's so much we can learn about them.
Like what they eat?
And where they live?
Yep. Which of these animals should we learn about today in our Animal School Day? Dolphin! Swim-sational! Let's dive into our Dolphin School Day.
Lots of animals are different, but animals can be alike too. Let's think about it. This is a bottlenose dolphin. Dolphins have a fin on the center of their back. Do you see other animals that have fins? Drag them into the big bubble in the middle. Clownfish. Orca. Striped bass. Hammerhead shark.
Animals with fins! Phenomenal!
This bottlenose dolphin uses flippers on the side of its body to steer as it swims. Find all the animals that have flippers. Orca, seal, manatee, penguin, sea lion, walrus.
Animals with flippers! We flip for flippers! Hey, Molly, what kind of dog has the cleanest hair?
I'm not sure, Gil. What kind of dog does have the cleanest hair?
A shampoodle. Get it? Shampoodle? That's silly!
Hi, I'm Dreama. Welcome to my animal snack shop, where every visit is a treat. Hello, customer. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to find a tasty snack for my hungry dolphin.
You've certainly come to the right place. I've got just the thing. Any of these snacks would be perfect for your dolphin. Which snack should we choose? Fish. Pull the lever. Great. Now it's time to feed your dolphin some fish. Animal snack time. Dolphins love to eat fish. Give the dolphin the fish. Drag the food over to him. Super snack collecting. Wowzers, watch out! These aren't animal treats. Something must be wrong with the machine. I'm on it. Way to go! Awesome! Still working on it. These aren't what the customer ordered. Ugh. Whoops, try again. Great job! Fantastic! Aha! I fixed it. The machine is back in business. Fantastic animal feeding. You gave all the snacks to the dolphin. Thanks for coming to my animal snack shop. Always a treat to see you.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's time for lunch! First,
Open Gobi's lunchbox. That's it. Now, open Una's lunchbox. Nice work. And now, let's open my... Excellent.
I got whole wheat bread. Mmm. What did you get for lunch, Una?
I got pita bread. Yummy! What did you get, Mommy?
I got pita bread?
That's crazy business! I'm Molly.
And I'm Gil.
This is our friend, Baby Dolphin. Baby Dolphin is lost and needs our help getting home to its family.
Will you help us bring this baby home in our animal-mobile? Fantastic!
This baby dolphin lives in the ocean. The ocean is a huge place filled with salty water and waves. Come on, let's bring this baby animal home. That's the way.
Watch out for rocks. Swipe the rocks to flip them out of the way. Whoops! To change lanes, swipe the car up and down. Bonus bubble up ahead. Use this bubble shield to drive right over anything that's in our way. All right!
Baby dolphin lives in the ocean.
Wait, you got it! The ocean is a huge area of salt water. We made it to a different road. Now we need to swipe the car left and right. Let's go! Crickets! Watch out! Swipe to flip them out of the way. Bubble boost! Swimsational! We're on the move!
Animal path up ahead. Let's follow it.
Let's go! We've got to bring this baby animal home.
Swimsational driving.
Cactus! Watch out! Swipe to flip them out of the way. Bubble boost! Swimsational! We're on the move!
Baby dolphin lives in the ocean.
Swimsational!
The ocean has lots of waves. We're here! We made it all the way to the ocean.
And look, there's baby dolphin's father.
We helped the baby animal get home.
Fantastic animal helping!
Wow! You finished the whole dolphin school day. You earned a gold star fish. You really are fantastic.
Thank you for watching. Now don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up for new app demos every single day.